Deathman 101 here, doing a quick thank you video to RTK Airsoft. They gave me Stars, WeTech, Biohazard, gas blowback gun, and I traded them an M4. Well, I guess we traded, not gave, but yeah. Just open this baby up, and the tab ripped. Okay, cool. I'm doing it with one hand because okay, lots of, oh god, packing peanuts. Whoa, there it goes. Damn. 3 mags, spare mags, coming out the box. And oh, cool. Alright, thanks for this as well. And bam. Here we have the gun. Wow, it's really heavy. So I want to thank you for that. Thanks for trading. He's a good trader. If you guys want to trade with him, I suggest you do. This is cool. Thanks, man.